So guys, ito yung CE300 namin na bigla na lang pumutok on the while idling, meaning tumutugtog pa siya, then bigla na siya pumutok after mga few minutes after ng tugtog. So so yung natin to kasi yung una-unang dalawa ang cause is over voltage pa rin. So as I check this one and this one, this channel and this channel, no problem, meaning okay amplifier. So nasa power section ng problema. So as I remembered, yung yung sa AVR ko is nakaset sa 230, and upon check up here yung primary ko sa transformer is nakaset to 220 eventually. I got it wrong. I thought kasi nasa 240 siya. And mataas pa naman yung voltage ng Iveco. So around 230 to 40, around ganun. So yan, 50 Hz to 40 to 20. So black and red is to 20, and yes, confirm to 20 yung nakalagay, and it's not to 40. So kaya nung pag nataka ko kasi pag naka-music siya or bumabayo siya at full power, wala namang problema. Nung naka-standby, naka-idling na, bigla na siya pumutok after maybe a few minutes, mga 5 minutes ganun. So matagal siya naka-idling. So upon inspection dito, yan. So upon inspection, this mylar, which is rated of 104.4. Anong volts pa to? Yun lang, 250. Maliit. 250, 104. Yan. Merong lumobo dito. And pag ganito na yung scenario, automatic, itong diode na ito, kailangan ng palitan. Tsaka ito. So, AC pa lang may problema na sa AC side. So, good thing is yung amplifier is hindi sira. So, gusto ko lang malaman para may ma-adjust or ma-modify. So, doon sa Carmen to yung ginamit. Ito yung isa sa one of the 12 pieces. And eventually 12 pieces yung dinala ko doon na amplifier. And then sadly 3 pieces yung nasira while idling. The first sira is yung pumutok yung sa genset, yung nag-genset pa kami, same. Saan ba yung banda dito ba to? So same sa power area, pero yung amplifier okay. The next is the same na exactly na ganito, pero hindi na genset. Yung sa Iveco na siya. Ganito yung problema, naka AVR na kami. So hindi naman masisira yan without we're not being exposed to high voltage. So yan, nasobraan. And I don't know how much AC voltage output kasi sa idling magalaw na yung magalaw na yung AVR while hindi naman kami hindi naman tumutugtog. So most probably sa ibang sound system na naka-link sa naka same transformer na pinagkabitan namin while tumutugtog sila, doon ko na napapansin yung pumuputok na yung ampli. So after nun pumutok na yung pangatlo, same scenario is after ko magpatugtog, off ko automatic yung lahat ng amplifier kasi alam ko na ganun pa rin ang mangyayari. So kung ano lang, kung naka 240 yung primary setting ko nito, is wala tayong magiging problema. Naka 220 pala to so stock ng ano ng sa factory is 220 talaga. Stock ni factory is 220, and then now ayaw ni boss na ibalik sa ano natin sa 240 kasi soon gagamit na kami ng step up kasi si step up pwede naman mag step down, di ba? So walang problema, yun lang. And then dahil walang problema to, papalitan ko lang yung lahat ng Mylar 104 to 50, and then yung dalawang diode ito may ano yan, may black tart or something. So for sure nasira na rin yan dahil sa Mylar, so over voltage. So yun lang. And gusto ko lang malaman, the point of this video is gusto ko malaman kung anong dahilan ng pagkasira ng amp namin hindi naman ginagamit at that time nga pumutok siya. So yun, over voltage. And I want to make the test very fair to all 3 amps kung consistent ba yung problem, and which is it turns out to be consistent. So the amps are good, well built, good, tested eventually, and it lasts. Yun lang yung problema is the AVR is set on 230 volts which is moving while yung ibang sound system is tumutugtog na naka same transformer link namin. So yun lang. So payo lang sa mga kaibigan natin na mahilig sa battle, pag naka-idling na tayo, i-step down natin yung yung step up. So idling at 220 to 10, no problem. Kasi it is designed here for 220. And then pag mag rambula na, pwede na kayo mag 230 to 40. Anyway, magda-drop naman yan upon load. So ayan, this is the third amp which is very consistent yung problem. So sana ma-zoom ko. Hindi ma-zoom. Yan, ito. Yan. May makita kayo na bulge. Yan. So yun yung problema. Okay? Then the amps are good. Ay, thankfully. Sa tatlong C300, all amps are good. Only the filter. Not the filter, only the coupling capacitor alongside with the bridge diode. Okay guys, hopefully may natutunan kayo about sa same scenario pag may battle. And thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting my channel. Yan, Hidro Tech. Of course, we are currently slowly lumalaki na yung channel natin. Eventually, very slow. So tumataas na yung audience, and thank you for your support. Thank you guys, and bye.